In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily add Capital One Shopping to Safari on your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Capital One Shopping. Now, find the Capital One Shopping icon and tap on it to open the app's details page. Then, tap Get and then Install to download the app. Wait for the app to install on your iPhone. Here, tap on the Capital One Shopping app icon to open the app. After that, log into your Capital One Shopping account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by filling out the registration form and agreeing to the terms of service. Following that, tap on the settings icon represented by an Apple logo on your iPhone. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Safari. Now, tap on Extensions and make sure the Allow Extensibility switch is enabled. Then, tap Refresh to reload the extension list. Here, go to the Capital One Shopping app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Next, tap on Install Extensions and select Safari from the list of available browser. Tap Next and then allow to grant the app permission to add the extension. The Capital One Shopping extension is now installed on your iPhone, but it's disabled by default. To enable it, go to Settings, then Safari and Extensions, and then Capital One Shopping and toggle the switch to the right. You may see a prompt asking you to grant permissions to the app. In the end, tap Allow to grant access to the extensions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.